In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to effortlessly withdraw cash from an ATM using Google Wallet. This modern convenience can save you time and make your transactions more secure. So, let's dive right into it. First things first, ensure that the ATM you're approaching supports contactless transactions. You can recognize this capability by looking for the contactless or NFC symbol on the machine. This symbol usually appears on or near the card reader area of the ATM. If it's there, you're good to go. Next, you'll want to open the Google Wallet app on your smartphone. Simply unlock your phone and locate the app. It's a good idea to have it placed conveniently on your home screen for quick access. Once you've opened it, you'll need to select the debit card that's linked to your bank account. This works like pulling out your physical wallet and choosing which card to use. Super convenient, right? Now, it's time to tap your phone on the ATM. This is where the contactless magic happens. Hold the back of your phone close to the ATM's contactless reader. You generally don't need to physically touch your phone to the machine. Hovering it nearby should do the trick. Your phone and the ATM will communicate seamlessly to initiate the transaction. With your card selected and the connection made, the next step is to enter your bank PIN. Use the ATM keypad to carefully type in your PIN, just as you would if you were using a physical card. Remember, your PIN is your personal security code, so be sure to shield the keypad from any onlookers while entering it. Don't rush. The ATM will give you the time you need to input your details accurately. Once your PIN is accepted, you're almost done. The on-screen prompts will guide you through the final steps of withdrawing your cash. Follow these instructions closely. You'll be able to select the amount of money you wish to withdraw, and in just a few moments, you'll have your cash in hand. The ATM might provide a summary of the transaction on its screen, so be sure to read it to confirm everything is correct. And there you have it. You've successfully withdrawn cash using Google Wallet without the need for a physical card. Remember, this method isn't just a nice tech trick. It's also a more secure way of handling transactions, reducing wear and tear on your physical cards and minimizing the risk of card theft or cloning. Embrace the modern convenience and enjoy the ease of contactless ATM transactions. If you have any questions or if you want to share your own experiences, feel free to leave a comment below. Thanks for watching.